Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Thank you for joining me. Last week, ending April 11th, volatility is the word that best describes last week, as tariff issues remained the primary focus for investors. The major indexes did increase a bit, but are still in negative territory for the year. The NFIB Small Business Optimism Index declined to a 5-month low in March as uncertainty remained elevated. The Consumer Price Index, or CPI, was weaker than expected in March, declining by 0.1% versus expectations of a 0.1% increase. On a year-over-year basis, CPI slowed to 2.4% from 2.8% in February, while year-over-year core CPI slowed down to 2.8%. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, a measure of inflation on the wholesale level, was much better than expected, declining 0.4% in March. Expectations were for an increase of 0.15%. Year-over-year, PPI is 2.7%. And finally, the Consumer Sentiment Index showed a large decline to 50.8 in April from a reading of 57 in March. Year to date, the Dow is down 5.5%, the S&P is down 8.8%, and the Nasdaq is down 13.4%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.48%. Oil closed at $61.59 a barrel. Gold closed at $3,230.78 an ounce, with silver closing at $32.12 an ounce. For this week of April 14th, Tuesday we'll get the Import Price Index and the Empire State Manufacturing Survey. On a busy Wednesday, retail sales, industrial production, business inventories, and the Home Builder Confidence Index all will be reported. And on Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, housing starts, and building permits. Nothing scheduled for Good Friday. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. Also, if you have investable assets of $300,000 or more, we can provide you with a detailed complimentary financial plan. Call for details. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.